It's a great pleasure for me to come here today to grace this occasion. This is our second dealership opening in Chennai. The Jeep brand here has been doing very well. In fact, our sales have doubled over last year. Chennai is a very strong market for us, and it is a pleasure to tell everyone and announce that we have increased our footprint here in Chennai, and we are more closer to our customers. Jeep is doing well, has progressed. In fact, the pandemic or the lockdown after that has only showed that how much customers love the brand. They have been out in the market. They have been looking for us. In fact, coming with more and more business that they can deliver to us. But not only that, more importantly, the relationship that we develop with them, the community that we build with them is very important for us. So we are very glad to be here. We are selling right now Compass and Wrangler. And in fact, the Wrangler sales have shown great promise here in the Chennai market. The dealership here, VTK, is leading that charge very well. In fact, in terms of Compass sales, they have grown, they have doubled their sales from last year, as I mentioned. But more importantly, we are expanding our base, not only through new cars, but also through the pre-owned certified vehicles that we offer to our customers. So this showroom and the showroom that we have already. This offers an opportunity to us in terms of not only expanding the new car sales penetration, but also the used car sales or the certified sales to our customers. It offers the product at various price range. The finance schemes we have are also very helpful for customers to own the product, and we will continue to offer more programs and initiatives to increase our customer experience. Thank you. Wrangler range starts from 54 lakhs, and we offer two variants, which is the Unlimited and the Rubicon. And in fact, the Rubicon is so popular that customers come for it. It's a special vehicle which helps the customers to enjoy the off-road driving experience, the dreams that they enjoy living all the time at their free will. And that is what offers the biggest brand and the Wrangler, which is the most iconic in our product line. This inauguration is almost, we are reaching to 65 dealerships in the country. We have all 7 stores in Tamil Nadu. As I said, Chennai is the number 2 location here that we have now. The dealership footprint is only going to increase now as we move to more cities, but now we are very well established. In fact, we are covering our customers almost everywhere they are present. And it is, what they are enjoying is a delighted experience with after sales and the services that we offer. That is something we are very proud and will always keep engaging with the customers and keep increasing their experience. I am Nipun Mahajam. I am head of the brand, Jeep brand in India. Thank you.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைபும் பண்ணுங்க.